quick. I been working on this a little bit today, just adding support in for the drill fields for measures, and then just some cleanup and debugging, adding in some debugging, some logging, and just a bunch of random stuff. I've also broken up my grammar up into separate namespaces, so I'll have one for views, one for explorers, and then if we look at like views here, I've taken all this, instead of having one big string, I've broken it down into all the kind of various subcomponents. So what is common here, what do tiers look like, sets, measures, dimensions, dimension groups, filters, as I mentioned, drill fields, so we can go ahead and add these as we need. Try to make it a little bit more composable, and at the end here I just kind of return the entire grammar all smashed together. So yeah, then I'm also excuse me, also working on getting this so I can post it up to Google Cloud Run and put a endpoint on the front of it, and I'll set up OAuth, so you have to have a token to call it, and so it'll be authenticated and such. But so I wrote another quick little application here just to simulate that. It's just a little runner. It's running Jetty that will accept the HTTP post and then call this code here, and then it will return to the screen the actual Omni version. So right now I'm working on the look, which Google keeps the e-commerce data set up to date every day. So I'm going to go ahead and just pull all these down, run them through this conversion process, and then hopefully we'll be able to cut and paste that stuff into Omni and run it through their validator and see what works and what's broke still. So I'll take, for instance, this one here. Just do a curl-s, which it'll pull it down to a standard out, and then we'll pipe it over to simulating the Cloud Run here. This is obviously be a Cloud Run URL when we're done, and a route, and you'll have to authenticate. I'll have to add the bearer token and all that stuff inside here, but for now it's a work in progress. But so we run this, and then right here this guy responds, and then there you go, there's our drill fields. So now we got the drill fields added to these measures here. I have to do some additional potential work on it, but it's coming along. So yeah, if you got any questions, feel free to ping me. Otherwise, Bob's your uncle.